These people are dancing around a dead body. They are celebrating death. Mourners are not just weeping, but dancing with joy, where the sound of sorrow is replaced by the rhythm of music. In the hidden valleys of Pakistan's Chitral district lies a community that defies convention. The Kalash people, an ancient tribe with a tradition that challenges our perceptions. This is the community's temple called Jastakhan. Every village has one. Whenever someone dies, their body is placed in here. I happened to witness a funeral of a Kalash member, and it was a cultural shock for me, as the scenes that I saw were never seen before. Just listen to their mourning, it's in symphony. Their hands swaying in a way as if questioning what have just happened. The red flag besides the dead body symbolizes that the deceased member was a male. When the word of someone's death is spread around, members from all the villages start pouring into the village where the death has occurred. With the entrance of the male members in the temple, the women stop their mourning and settle down to listen to the sermon presented by the Qazi from another village. Qazis or priests from every village arrive subsequently along with their villagers and initiate a sermon pitching in the direction of the dead body, as if the dead is listening. The Qazi or the priest talks about the deceased member's good deeds in his life and recalls its clan's ancestors' legacies and their good deeds as well. One by one, every Qazi performs this monologue. And once the sermon is said, the funeral transforms into a celebration. Kalash defined this celebration as not symbolic to joy, but a sorrowful farewell. Drums in the background, swirling around the dead body, with clutching and releasing of fists, with raised arms, symbolizes the life and death. For a non-local onlooker, this activity casts a mystifying effect on their minds, and they receive an exotic experience of their lifetime. The immediate female relatives of the deceased avoid wearing the traditional headgear of Kalasha women as a mourning gesture. Finally, the music stops and the male members of the community takes away the dead body to the graveyard. Whereas outside, people fire gunshots in the honor of the deceased. In the end, the deceased members are buried with their belongings, as the Kalasha people believe that these belongings will come into use in the afterlife.